Hello, we are Group 2, consisting of Vương Tuấn Sơn, Ngô Thị Hồng, Trần Đức Mạnh, Nguyễn Bùi Gia Cốp, Nguyễn Ngọc Sơn, and Vũ Hoàng Ngọc Tân. Today, we are honored to present a short documentary on President Ho Chi Minh ideology on national unity, analyzing his great contribute to building a strong and united Vietnamese nation. A field trip to Ho Chi Minh Museum allow us to see precious documents and artifacts about alcohol, and to surely feel the profound meaning behind his famous quote, unity, unity, great unity, success, success, great success.
Nam Bắc là một nhà, là anh em ruột thịt, quyết không thể chia cắt được. Chúng ta phải thắt chặt mọi quan hệ mật thiết giữa miền Nam và miền Bắc. Chúng ta phải đoàn kết rộng rãi và chặt chẽ. Từ Bắc đến Nam phải ủng hộ đồng bào miền Nam đấu tranh giành tự do dân chủ theo đúng hiệp định Geneva. Chúng ta phải làm cho kinh tế văn hóa và sự đi lại được lưu thông và thuận lợi giữa đồng bào miền Bắc và đồng bào miền Nam. Chúng ta phải làm những việc đó để tiến tới thực hiện tổng tuyển cử tự do và thống nhất toàn quốc.
This is not merely a slogan, but a short distill from his lifetime of struggle and national building. So this documentary, we hope to share the spirit of unity with you, the young generation of today, so that together we may understand, appreciate, and carry forward the sacred value of national solidarity in our study, our work, and our daily life.
In Ho Chi Minh told national unity is a strategic guideline in the invincible strength of Vietnamese revolution. He believed that unity is not simply gathering force, but creating a deep bond among ethnic groups, religions, social classes, and regions, all working toward the common goals of independence, freedom, and happiness for the people. He always emphasized that unity is strength, the key to success. Without unity, we fail. This ideology became the guiding star for every victory of Vietnamese revolution. Throughout his revolutionary life, Ho Uncle continuously sought to build in nature the great unity of the people. Whether in the resistance phase or during the darkest years of war, he always took time to meet and encourage ethnic minorities, workers, farmers, intellectuals, and overseas Vietnamese. He promoted mutual respect, equality, and cooperation for the common cause of the building nation. Thanks to his example and leadership in fostering unity, the Vietnamese people overcame countless hardships to win independence and rebuild the country. The quote, unity, unity, great unity, success, success, great success, is more than a call for solidarity. It's a profound reminder that only when everyone stands together can the nation overcome challenges and achieve greatness. This spirit guides the entire nation through its most difficult moments and continues to inspire the younger generations today.
Our visit to the Ho Chi Minh Museum has taught us that unity is not something that happens naturally. It must be nurtured through understanding, respect, and sharing. Unity has always been the strength that carries our nation through challenges. As a young generation and an FPT University students, we surely value the lesson President Ho Chi Minh left us, and we will try to apply this basis of unity in our study, work, and daily lives. This is not only our duty but also our pride, and will follow his footsteps. every step we take today is guided by the values he devoted his life to build for the nation. We respectfully bow to his moral example, wisdom, and boundless compassion.
My President Ho Chi Minh City ability to connect people from all walks of life.
Unity is a value. I will carry it with me in my life.
Through this trip, I have understood about the power of unity.
I will try to apply the spirit of unity in my studies and work.
đất nước hình như